Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check routes and maps on Citymapper. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So, for example, if you are want to find buses and their routes, then you can do that if you click on the bus option, and then you can see the find routes option, and here you can see all the buses and their numbers. And if you know that you have to go with one of these buses somewhere, you have to click on that, and then you can see on the map its route, and then all the stops. So like this you can easily check them if you want to make sure that this is the right bus for you. And you can do the same things with subway, and here you can see the routes, and after that all the all the stops. So in this way you cannot miss or make a mistake if you if you get on some public transportation means. And you can see there are rares in the city as well, so you can check them as well. And if you click on the maps option here, you can see this map of Bucharest city, like the main stops and points of the city. So I think that these settings and features are really helpful and important. So you cannot miss anything if you are in a new city and you want to get somewhere. This app is really good for uh, making this happen. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.